Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to stop hiding selected apps from our home and app screens in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So we have a few applications that are hidden. How to make them visible again? First, we need to go to our phone's settings. Then in settings we are looking for our home screen options menu. And here we have our hide apps on home and app screens option. So when we open this menu here, at the top we have the list of every hidden app, and now we can pretty much pick and choose what will be visible again, and don't forget to tap done. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.